If you are an entrepreneur, marketer, consultant, or a business professional, you have probably faced this situation before. It's late in the day and suddenly you need to create a client pitch deck. Marketing strategy presentation, investor presentation, or quarterly business review by tomorrow morning. Normally, that means spending hours researching content, building an outline, designing slides, and making everything look professional. The process is often more time-consuming than the actual presentation itself. But what if AI could handle most of that work for you? Today, I'm testing MiriCanvas, an AI presentation maker designed to help professionals create polished business presentations in minutes instead of hours. The workflow is surprisingly simple. First, enter your presentation topic. Next, choose a presentation theme that matches your audience and goals. MiriCanvas then generates a presentation brief, which you can refine using AI chat. After that, the platform creates a presentation outline that you can review and edit manually before generating the final slide deck. Once the slides are created, you can customize everything in the editor until presentation is ready to share. Let's see how it works in a real-world business scenario. For this example, let's create a pitch deck for B2B SaaS startup focused on automated supply chain logistics. After entering the topic and selecting a theme, MiriCanvas quickly generates a presentation brief that outlines the core messaging, business objectives, and overall structure of the deck. This is where the workflow becomes especially powerful. Instead of manually planning every section, you can collaborate with the AI to improve the brief before moving forward. For example, you can ask the AI to make the presentation more investor-focused, add a question and answer section, strengthen the competitive positioning, and adjust the tone for executive decision makers. Once the brief looks right, MiriCanvas automatically creates a presentation outline. You can review the proposed slide structure, reorder sections, remove unnecessary slides, or make manual edits before generating the final presentation. At this point, most of the strategic planning and presentation structure has already been completed, saving a significant amount of time compared to traditional slide generation. Once the outline is finalized, MiriCanvas generates the complete slide deck in just a few moments. Rather than placing your content onto basic layouts, the platform applies it to professional designed business presentation templates created by experienced designers. This helps slides feel more organized, visually balanced, and presentation ready from the start. The deck already includes consistent typography, well-structured layouts, and clear visual hierarchy, giving it the appearance of professionally prepared business presentation rather than a rough AI draft. What stands out most is the quality of design foundation. Instead of spending hours aligning elements, adjusting spacing, and defining layouts, you begin a presentation that already looks polished and professional. For anyone who creating investor decks, client presentation, sales presentation, or internal business report, that can be a huge productivity advantage. Once the presentation is generated, you move into the MiriCanvas editor for final customization. This is where you can tailor the presentation to match your brand, company guidelines, or client requirements. You can update text, replace images, modify layouts, change fonts, adjust colors, and add your own asset with just a few clicks. One thing I like is that you are never locked into an AI-generated result. Every element remains fully editable, giving you complete control over the final presentation. You get the span of AI-generated presentations while still maintaining full control over the final result. If you are looking for a faster way to create professional presentations without sacrificing the quality, MiriCanvas AI Presentation is definitely worth the check it. Give it a try, experiment your own ideas, and see how it fits into your workflow. Thanks for watching, my dear friends. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next videos.